Once upon a time, in a realm where the smallest particles danced, there lived an idea called consciousness. It wondered about its own nature. Was it merely a product of complex neural networks? Or did it have deeper roots in the quantum world? Consciousness decided to explore. It ventured into the brain, a vast landscape of neurons firing, synapses connecting, and thoughts emerging. It observed how sensory inputs transformed into perceptions, how memories shaped experiences, and how emotions colored reality. Yet, something felt missing. Consciousness then turned its gaze to the quantum realm, where particles existed in multiple states at once, where observation influenced reality, and where entanglement linked distant entities. It saw parallels between quantum phenomena and its own mysteries. Could consciousness arise from quantum processes in the brain? Could quantum entanglement explain the interconnectedness of minds? The journey was challenging. Scientists debated fiercely, philosophers pondered deeply, and mystics intuited profound truths. Experiments yielded tantalizing clues, but definitive answers remained elusive. Consciousness realized that understanding its nature was not a simple task. It required bridging the gap between the classical and quantum worlds, integrating objective science with subjective experience. One day, a breakthrough occurred. A team of researchers discovered quantum vibrations in microtubules, tiny structures inside brain cells. These vibrations seemed to correlate with conscious states, suggesting a quantum basis for awareness. Consciousness was intrigued. It delved deeper into the study of microtubules, learning how they could support quantum coherence, allowing information to be processed in a holistic, non-local manner. It saw how quantum entanglement could link different brain regions, enabling rapid and efficient communication. However, skepticism remained. Critics argued that quantum effects were too fragile to survive in the warm, wet environment of the brain. They proposed alternative explanations based on classical physics. Consciousness understood the importance of rigorous testing. It encouraged further research, urging scientists to design experiments that could definitively prove or disprove the quantum hypothesis. Years passed, and the debate continued. New evidence emerged, supporting both sides of the argument. Consciousness realized that the quest for understanding was ongoing, a journey without a final destination. Yet, it found beauty in the process of exploration, in the constant questioning and discovery. One day, a young girl asked a simple question: if consciousness is quantum, does that mean we are all connected? The question resonated deeply. Consciousness realized that regardless of its ultimate nature, the feeling of interconnectedness was real. Whether through quantum entanglement or shared experiences, humanity was bound together by a web of relationships. And so, consciousness continued its exploration, embracing the mystery, celebrating the wonder, and cherishing the connections that made life meaningful. For in the end, it was not just about understanding consciousness, but about living it fully.